Hey everybody, it's your boy Ant. About to have one of my favorite things, macaroni salad. And why did I put an empty container in the refrigerator? Oh well, come on, let's make some more. Okay, so as you can see, our salted water is nice and boiling. Now it's time to add 2 cups of pasta. I like to use rotini, but elbow macaroni is also fine. Put it in there. And let that go on medium-high heat for 9 minutes. Okay, our rotini has been drained, it's been cooled. So now we're gonna add some fun stuff. Go add some celery, some onion. Gonna add some seasonings. We have some salt, some cinnamon, some dill weed, and some white pepper. Get out of there. Gonna add some cheese. I like using Marble Jack cheese, but cheddar cheese is fine too. And then we're gonna add lots of salad dressing. Now that's some delicious looking macaroni salad, isn't it? And it tastes good too. Well, that's all I have for you right now. If you like the full recipe, you know where to find it. Thanks for being with me. Hope to see you again soon, and hey look, a celery end piece.